so long since I saw your face, so I'm coming home. I'm coming home. How many times did I fall for you?
Okay, it's out. Thad, it's here.
There's your house,
there you go. Thaddy, the daddy, has got a pad for his They weren't here?
They're here, but they want to sprout it up.
How, if we can't even walk, are we going to do this? You'll see. You'll see, Thad. Hope you're here.
So this area, there's a marker there and a marker there.
Thad, I had no idea. This is our property. This is crazy. This is incredible. I didn't know that our property was clear up over here.
So we have a nice creek. Look, there's water in it.
This is beautiful. So we have another creek.
We can make this whole area a park with tables and little bridges and
a park with little bridges and stuff. Look at this cute little creek. I didn't even know it was on the property. Thad, this just gets better and better. Do not share this video. This is delicious. This is like spinach. Oh, look at the soap root.
So only wash your hands for food and poison oak garlic.
This is curly dock. This one, yeah, we'll use that for washing as an antidote to poison oak. Look at this beautiful view.